Nobapis Jo Marie G. Most Outstanding Student Teacher Awardee. Magabudbud G. Kim C. He is an athletic awardee and loyalty awardee. Requesting the parent. Mante Jubilin A. Saniko Kia B. Sarong Christine.
Congrats, Brett.
Dano May Billing. Laugo Claire Miyuki A. Loyalty Awardee. And Honorable Risa Rapunzel T. Timkang Academic Excellence Award. Requesting the parents.
Proud, oh, proud. Wow, loyal.
Maturan Princess A. Multimedia Artist Awardee. Requesting the parents.
Service yung Service Award is Kimar Christian J. Congratulations, sana'y magpatuloy ka sa 6 na taon na pagsiservice sa mga pagkakaunan.
Pahuyo Lunesa M. Honorable Risa Rapunzel T. Timkang
She will also be conferred the Loyalty Award, Performing Arts Award, Most Outstanding Student Teacher Award, and Mayor Risa Rapunzel T. Timkang Academic Excellence Award. Student Teacher Award and Mayor Risa Rapunzel T. Timkang Academic Excellence Award.
Thank you.
All Latin honor recipients will also be Civil Service Commission undergraduate eligibility grantee. For photo opportunity, may I request all the Latin honors to please remain on stage, as well as the Field Office Director of the Civil Service Commission, Director Alan C. Bisario, the School President, Attorney Ronald Dayan de la Peña, as well as our Vice President for Academics and Student Affairs, Ms. Melona B. Palen, the Vice President of Research, Development and Extensions, Ms. Fel Janica D. Canta, and the Vice President of Administration and Finance, Honorable Junita G. Sampo. Let us give our honor graduates a resounding round of applause for their outstanding accomplishments. Congratulations to all our Latin honor awardees. Before we proceed to the next part of the program, we would like to take this opportunity to extend our heartfelt gratitude to a distinguished guest of honor who has graciously joined us in recognizing the academic excellence of our graduates. We now call on Director Alan C. Bisario, our esteemed Field Office Director of the Civil Service Commission, to kindly come forward. And we also invite our School President, Attorney Ronald Dayan F. de la Peña, and the Chairperson of the Board of Trustees, Michelle May G. Cunyato, our Municipal Mayor, the Honorable